example of crane hook. So this is the hook. So first here we will define the path, then we will define the profile. There are many profiles. One profile here, one this. You will see the section view here, section view G, then section view H, then this path. So let's start with first. We will define. Start from here. This diameter 52, then we will create this path. Just note down the dimensions: 45 from here to here, center distance 138, then there is this curve 125 and 7 millimeter gap between these two curves point, 220 millimeter from here to center, then this is 94 millimeter, this is 82, and this distance 75, 35, 75 divided by 2 is 35 plus 60. So these points are there, 82. Then these are the 125 radius path, and this distance 50, 34.5, and this radius turns. Let's try to do something. First, let's create top plane sketch, and here I am going to create the our first profile, and that is 52, enter. So this is the our circle, right click, exit. Now exit. Now choose your front plane, sketch. Now activate line tool. First I am going to draw make sure both the line construction line vertical, this is should be horizontal, and these activate line. If you come back to the point and see, it's automatically going to convert into arc. Then there is a kind of straight line, then again go back and see it is again going to convert into arc, and this should be like up to here, then again going to here, and this should be, let's say, up to like something here. These points are not tangent. Make sure it is not tangent. Okay. So let's define this. 45, and these point from here it's 138. That's the thing. This one 94 millimeter. Okay, let's check what is the condition of this. Now this distance from here to center, it's 35 plus 36, it's 71, and let me choose this 82. That's perfect. Now let's make this tangent. Horizontal. And these point from here to here, it's 11. That's it. And one more. Okay, delete this tangent. This point lies on this, so select horizontal. Look, this is going to be the best. Okay, now one more. Select this point, hold shift key, and select this pierce, normal. Now see, this drawing is fully defined. Look. Similarly, start line, start from here, again go back to the point, and it will automatically convert into arc. Draw something like then Let's draw one circle and the diameter is 70. Activate line tool. Now connect with this and make sure these line is tangent with this. That's it. This also going to be tangent. Now this is 125. Now the gap between these two is 7 vertical distance. That's it. Again just tilt and fix this point. Hold shift key, select this, pierce relation, just like this one. Say OK. Look, trim entity. Now I am going to choose power trim and trim this. Okay. Now every path we are going to define separate, not in one sketch. We will draw in one sketch, but we will transfer in other sketch. Why we are going to draw in one sketch? Because it gives perfect shape. If we are going to draw separately, it's difficult. So we will just copy paste in next sketch. Now don't create here tangent relation. Okay. This. $125. Select this point, hold shift key and this line coincide. Okay, this is comes down. Okay, for time being delete this line, this curve, so that we will get a better idea. Activate smart dimension, and this is also 125, but this has a catch. Now this is, I think, created some relation. Delete. Okay, this already catched some relation. Delete. Again activate 3-point arc circle. Okay. Now click dimension. Now just define this center point, this vertical distance 34.5. This is now define 125 radius. That's it. Now let's take it down. 3-point arc. Now here define tangent. Select this point, tangent. Smart dimension, these radius 10. Now here what we will do, delete this. Okay. Now define the dimension. Select this point and hold shift key and select this point, and the vertical distance is 50. If you want to define, delete this tangent point. Now you can define 10. This is little out, but it's worth. Even if you delete this, let's make this is more better than this. That's it. Now hold this construction line. Draw one center line. This is help for few relation. Now even though this also for construction, Okay. In this structure only one, say okay. Now again sketch. Now in this I am going to select 1, 2, 3, 4, convert entity. Now this is our second path and this is fully defined exit. Now path 2 created, again front sketch, I'll choose this one, convert entity, exit. Again front plane sketch, I'll choose this point because our sketch 1 is already visible, so we are able to see the full sketch. Convert entity, see it's drawn here, exit. Now here we have all these sketches. Okay. Now here we drawn all the path. Now section AA. This is the section AA. The width is 70, thickness. This one width after radius, all radius 10 millimeter, 140, 70 this radius 25. This one we have to fix here. Then the second one 55, 34. Here center distance not given because we are going to fix in this space. This is not a perfect defined specs. This is 36, 10, 35. So let's try this 58. So first we have to create a plane. Choose top plane, go to plane and choose this point. Look, sketch. Now here we have to define our geometry. First I'll go center line and I'm going to draw some center things. Make this line. Mirror entity, I am going to choose this line, mirror about this line. Okay. Three-point arc. Three-point arc. Make sure you connected this. Again activate center line. Now first distance center to center, it's 70. Okay. Now activate sketch fillet. Before going to sketch fillet, locate this dimension. 140, 70. This dimension in this line. Now activate sketch fillet 10. Now I am going to use yes, 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 yes. Say okay and cancel. Now again smart dimension. Now hold shift key, select this and this. See, this is important. 25 after radius dimension. Again hold shift key, hold shift key, hold shift key. Now we forget. Hold shift key and make sure you move your cursor outside. Then only you will get the outside dimension. 65 millimeter. Say okay. Now we have to move. Select this point, hold shift key and select this. And here relation click pierce. Look, our drawing is fully defined. And this is also pierce at this point also because this distance is perfectly 70 millimeter, but other is not. Exit. Now right plane, sketch. Now again we have to fix here. So center line, Make sure this is main line. So unselected construction view, mirror entities. Now here mirror entities, select these 3 lines. Make sure you selected copy, mirror about this line. Now it is mirror, you will see the preview. Say OK. Now again here activate 3-point arc. Similarly like what we did, this radius is little bigger, 58, okay. Okay, that's fine. Define the dimension. 58, 58. Activate center line and connect this with this endpoint, because these points are going to attach with those. Again activate center line. Similarly here connect to this. Now we will not define the center distance. First fillet, let's say all corner. Say yes. Do you want to continue? Say yes. Say yes. Now the first smart dimension. Now hold shift key, select this outside to outside. 55, say yes. Similarly, I am going to choose this side to this side, and this is 34.5. Now center distance we are not going to define, or even though let's define some for few, define it, but like we will change it. Let's say 65. Okay, let's 1 point place. Okay, this is going to be here. So select this point and hold shift key and select this, and you will see option make piers. Even though your left side also you will see option piers. At bottom you will see it is not match. So at this time delete this 65. This is the trick. Select this point, hold shift key, this arc, make piers. That's it. Because this center distance, if we check distance from here to here, it is not even. Look. Okay, it is showing 50. No, we took wrong direction. Again, I am going to check this point, this point. Look, it is like some odd even number, 58.35. So that's why we apply this technique. Exit. Now add this sketch, activate circle, and here let's draw a circle 36. Now select the circle and this point, go inside. This is fully defined sketch. Exit. Now let me hide plane. Now first go to feature and activate lofted boss base. Now first profile. So I am going to choose this profile, this profile, this profile, and this profile. Now second, it's most important, the path. So I am going to choose the first, drop down this menu, select sketch 3, the second. See, it's going to take the shape. Look. And for this, we need these two enough. Look. And everything keep as it is. We don't need to define anything more. Say OK. Look. Now let's show. Now here we have to create a plane, then we have to create a circle. So I'll choose plane, first reference point, second reference point, and for third reference I'm going to choose front plane. Now look, a plane just perpendicular to this going to create. Here see perpendicular, say OK. Activate, first select sketch, activate circle. Now here we have to draw a circle. Now see, end to end we created. Exit. Now click and hide. Now again here also we need profile, so sketch, click convert entity, so that this circle is created, say OK. Now here comes activate lofted boss base feature. Now sketch one profile, second profile. Now here choose curve, so I'm going to choose one. Sketch 2 selected by default, clear sketch 4, sketch 5. Look, this is going to be perfect. No need to define any direction, tangencies to face and everything, because this is our real drawing. Say OK. Look. Now check sketch 1. Now here edit sketch, and here add one important thing, center line. Find out, draw one center line from here to this, because this is going to be our reference. Exit. Now just go to insert, features, and here you will find option dome. Select this face, and here I'm going to choose the point. See, show preview. Look, this is going to be perfect. Look. Now let's hide. Now let's come at top, 42 into 3. We are first extrude 70 millimeter, and this is 42. Then we will apply cosmetic thread here. So sketch, activate circle, 42, extrude 70 millimeter. Keep end condition blind and direction 1 is moving upside, say yes. If you click on the edge, you will find two options, chamfer and fillet. Chamfer, this is angle distance. You have to select an edge, tangent propagation, full preview, and here 4 by 45 degree downward direction. Now go to insert, annotations, and select here cosmetic thread. We are going to apply a cosmetic thread. Now here I am going to choose this one, metric machine thread, and 42 by 3 pitch. This is nominal diameter, and up to next, no, we want length 60 millimeter. And start from this. Say yes. Now here open options, documents, property, go to detailing and choose here cosmetics, shaded cosmetic thread, say yes. Now look, 60 millimeter long created. So this is your tutorial. Now I'm going to apply some like material, appearance, metal, let's say brass, cast brass. Oh, that's perfect. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in